Hey there, future YouTube stars. Nope, I am not trying to fake it by saying future YouTube stars, I actually mean it. Let's get started. Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to be on camera? Don't worry, I have mentioned few steps, which won't take that much of your time, and you will be able to understand the concept in only 7 steps. In 2024, faceless YouTube channels are booming, and I'm going to show you exactly how that you can start one and succeed. You don't need to show your face or even to be an expert at video editing. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to YouTube's success. Whether you're camera shy, privacy conscious, or just want to focus on content without personal exposure, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1, define your niche.
Your niche is you, the human.
Yeah.
And everyone's like, oh, I need a niche, which actually means I need to stay narrow in something and just talk about football.
Yeah. Define your niche. First things first, you need to define your niche. What's your channel going to be about? Whether it's gaming, tech reviews, educational content, or something entirely different, picking a niche helps you target your audience and stand out. Make sure it's something you're passionate about because enthusiasm is contagious. As you can see, there are a total 100 faceless YouTube niches. Pause the video and save it for future ideas, which uses animations or the infographics show, known for its engaging visuals. They've nailed it by focusing into what on their content and storytelling, not their faces. Step 2, choose your content format. Faceless channels can take many forms. Here are a few ideas. Animated videos. Use animation software to create engaging content. Tools like Adobe Animate or Blender can help you bring your ideas to life. Slideshow presentations. Combine images and voiceovers to create informative videos. Voiceover script-driven content. Record voiceovers over gameplay footage, tutorials, or stock footage. AI can be a helpful tool for voiceovers and script. Text-based videos. Use text and graphics to convey your message. Perfect for commentary or news updates. For animation, programs like Adobe After Effects or even free options like OpenTunes can be great. Don't worry if it looks complex. There are tons of tutorials online to get you started. Step 3, create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is key. Invest in a good microphone for clear audio. Poor sound quality can turn viewers away faster than anything. For visuals, use high-resolution images and graphics. If you're using stock footage, make sure it's high quality and relevant to your topic. For audio, the Blue Yeti or Audio Technica. At 2020 are popular choices, and if someone doesn't want to voice over, there are many AI voiceover websites like 11 Labs, which make a voiceover look realistic, and many more. For editing, software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve can help you polish your videos. Keyword research. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ help you find what people are searching for. Thumbnails. Even if you're faceless, your thumbnails need to be eye-catching. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and clear imagery. SEO-friendly titles. Create clickable titles by using keywords and focusing on what your audience is looking for. Step 4, design your brand. Now let's talk about branding. Even without showing your face, you need a strong visual identity. Design a compelling logo and create a consistent style for your thumbnails and channel art. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can be super helpful for this. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating graphics. You don't need to be a design expert, just use templates and customize them to fit your brand, which must be eye-catching or attractive. Step 5, optimize your channel. Once your content is ready, optimizing your videos for growth is key. Here's how to ensure your faceless channel blows up in 2024. Optimization is crucial for visibility. Start by creating a catchy channel name and a compelling description. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your searchability. Tags or hashtags play the most important role in making your content go viral. All you need to do is find what is trending and mention the tags in it. Don't forget to craft engaging video titles and thumbnails to grab attention. Utilize YouTube's built-in tools like the analytics dashboard to track your performance and adjust your strategies. Testing your thumbnails and titles can help you figure out what works best. Step 6, monetizing your faceless channel. And of course, you want to make money, right? Here's how you can start monetizing your faceless channel. So, YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Affiliate marketing, promote products or services in your niche and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands love working with faceless channels, especially those in niche markets. Merchandise or digital products. Sell your own products like ebooks, courses, or branded merchandise. Just because you're not on camera doesn't mean you can't rake in the cash. The sky's the limit for faceless creators. Step 7, promote your channel. Promotion is the final step. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant forums, and online communities. Share your videos to everyone whom you know it might make an impact, not for now, but afterward. Engage with your audience through comments and build a presence on other platforms to drive traffic to your channel. Use social media tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule and manage your posts. Engaging with niche communities can also help spread the word about your channel, and that's a wrap. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2024 can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. Remember to stay consistent, keep improving your content, and most importantly, have fun with it. So I have completed 7 easy steps that if you guys follow these steps and keep keep moving, you will win no matter what. First step, define your niche. You should know about specific niche. Second step, content format, which includes many formats and tools, helps finding you content. Third step, creating high quality content, which plays the most important role in this journey. The more quality your content absorbs, the more it attracts viewers. Fourth step, designing your YouTube channel includes thumbnails, logo, banner, which must be attractive. Fifth step, optimize your channel by using relevant tags or hashtags that might help your videos go viral. Sixth step, monetizing your channel. Once you are done monetizing, you are just few steps away of achieving for what you started. Then there's the final step, promote your channel, share your content on every platform. So what you guys are waiting for, it's now or never. Remember, consistency is the key. Winners never quit and quitters never win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Also, I have dropped some informative content ideas and tools in the description. Make sure to help yourself out with the help of it. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your faceless YouTube adventure.